Hi, Nanita Pari has now got wings. Time has just flown. We wish her all the time the best. Hopefully, she gets the best in her life. All the best to you. Have a happy birthday. Have a memorable time. Enjoy it.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Love you. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi Megha, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day and have fun.
Hi Megha, happy birthday. Have a wonderful day.
Hi Megha, many many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year. May all your wishes come true and keep looking gorgeous like always. Love you, baby.
The best thing about Megha is like she's very friendly, she's very sweet, and the most memorable moment about Megha is when she was flexing her muscles like a builder, and the song which describes her is Barso Re Megha Megha because she always keep bursting on people every now and then.
The most memorable experience with Megha is there downstairs when I, Sapna and Megha went down. It was raining cats and dogs. All three of us acted like crazy women, high on rain, and it was something cannot forget. It was very funny. Besides that, any song that I and Megha really enjoyed singing was Tune Mari Entria because we kept on singing that in the bay all the time. Made that song very popular. The best thing about Megha is that she's very loving, very caring, always good with the advice that she gives, and she's always ready to help. Gem of a person.
Most memorable moment with Megha. I hardly know her for like 2.5 months now, and whatever she is, she's the best. So everything, whenever I'm with her, like it's memorable. And the most embarrassing moment.
Happy birthday, Megha. Um, the first question is the most memorable moment I have with you. Uh, I believe we just keep creating memories each day, and the first memory that I recall when I press the refresh button of my memories page is you saying मेरा फेस कितना गोल है लाइक हाँ यार ये बंदी का फेस तो बड़ा गोल है though it has changed now and I believe the song that suits you the most or maybe I'll just tweak the question a bit and say it suits us the most is uh, तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई and coming to the best thing you like about Megha, you're very caring, the most adorable of all my friends, and basically I love you and I cherish our friendship. I couldn't have imagined my college days without you. I mean, कुछ तो मिसिंग रह जाता है यार. That's it. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Megha, many happy returns of the day. Three things about you. The first one is a memorable or an embarrassing moment. Well, both happen to be in the same occasion. I mean, the same whatever. Anyways, so we were working out at Akram's gym, and we had to play mirror, man in the mirror, something like that. And I had to follow your moves and do whatever you were doing. I repeated the same thing, and you couldn't catch up with me because I was stretching a little too much, and you turned around and you laughed at yourself. That was one of the memorable moments, or embarrassing. The song that comes to my mind when I think about you is Main Koi Aisa Geet Gaun from Yes Boss. Because there's a particular scene in that movie where Aditya Pancholi waits for Shah Rukh Khan with mangoes in his hands because he doesn't know what Shah Rukh Khan looks like. So Shah Rukh Khan asks him to hold mangoes in his hands so he can recognize him. And talking about the best part about Megha is, in my life, this is probably one girl who's got so much maturity. The way she thinks like a guy. She is like me. I try to put a logic whenever there's something that I'm speaking or talking about. I try to put a lot of logic in it, and that's pretty much Megha, and that's completely opposite to what a girl is. That's about it.
Hi Megha. Well, if I had to talk about one memorable moment with Megha, probably have too many. So since we have to like mention one, there was this one night that Megha had come to stay over at my place, and like around 2 or 3 in the night, we just decided to take our mattresses to the terrace and just chill over there with our shisha and stuff. And that night has been the best thing that had ever happened to us, because that's the night we felt we were actually like a blessing to each other. And it was like really the most memorable moment with Megha. And if I had to talk about the best thing in Megha, then it would be the way she understands me. Probably the way we understand each other is like being soul sisters, like really, like the way we understand each other and the way we relate with each other. Probably, you know, it's just like a blessing. I really like thank God for making Megha a part of my life. And the song that I would like to dedicate to Megha from my heart would be तेरे जैसा यार कहा ऐसा याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. I love you so much, Megha. I miss you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे. इस साल तेरी सारी विश पूरी हो बेटा.
Megha, happy birthday. Wish you all the best of the day.
Makes many happy returns of the day. I see you not only as a daughter, but also as a friend, whom I love dearly and know so very well.
Hi Megs, many happy returns of the day. You still remind me of a young, cute girl who arrived in our lives and filled it with so much of fun and laughter. It's been a pleasure walking the years with you, going for playing at prime time, or going for ice creams at Creamstone, or off late for cheesecakes at Delhi 9.
OMG!
Hold on! Happy birthday, Megha Didi. Have a blast. Here we grant you 3 wishes on your birthday.
First, that we need amazing return gifts. Second, that when we come to Hyderabad, we need a great treat by you.
And the third one, we grant you unlimited use of Pranav's wallet.
These are your wishes or Megha's wishes? Anyways, Megha, have a very nice time. Enjoy your day.
And happy
birthday!
Maggie, it's your birthday! You don't know, Bhaiya is also so excited. He's jumping around. He can't keep calm. Oh my god, I can't wait to show you. Wait. Let's go see. Yeah? Yeah. One second. He'll be fine. Yeah. कल मैगी की बर्थडे है.
कल है. परसों तक बनता है.
हाँ? He's just kidding.
नमस्ते। आज हमारे सेट पे बहुत ही महान हस्ती आए हैं। ये वो बहन के भाई है जिसने इंडिया और चाइना का मिलाप किया है। आइए उनसे कुछ वार्तालाप करते हैं। हेलो। सर सर आप टीवी पे हैं। आप कुछ मैगी को बोलना चाहेंगे?
Happy birthday, Maggie. You're the only one I talk to. Please don't worry about it.
ठीक है सर। सर आपका कुछ ऐसा मोमेंट है मैगी के साथ जो आपको यादगार रहेगा ज़िंदगी भर?
है।
कौन सा वाला सर?
Whenever she talks about any other girl, it remains in my mind, and that is very memorable.
Any girls?
All girls.
ओके सर। सर आपका नेक्स्ट सवाल ये रहेगा सर कि is there any song which you would like to dedicate to Maggie which reminds you of Maggie?
Yes.
हाँ सर। कौन सा सर?
Allow me.
Yes सर। मोदी।
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ।
सर बहुत ही इंटेंस था सर मैटर।
वो हैवी
सर। ओके सर आप लास्ट क्वेश्चन यही रहेगा सर कि आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे मैगी को, आपके लास्ट वर्ड्स जो आप बोलना चाहेंगे सिंस उनकी बर्थडे है कल। सर रोइए ना सर।
बड़ी बेचारी है, बहुत बेचारी है वो मैगी।
जी सर।
एक नंबर की खूबसूरत लड़की है वो।
जी सर।
क्या करेंगे, साली जो ठहरी एनिमेशन 3H की।
जी
बहुत ही बेहतरीन लड़की।
आपकी ज़िंदगी को क्या किया है उसने? कुछ बदलाव लाया है?
अमेजिंग बहुत ही बदलाव लाया है उसने मेरी ज़िंदगी में। मैं क्या बताऊँ आपको। मैं पहले बहुत बातचीत करता था।
सर मैं समझ सकता हूँ सर। इसी समय हमारा समाप्त होता है। हमारे आखिरी विजुअल्स मैगी के फैंस के जो आइए देखते हैं, बहुत ज़ोरों से चीयर कर रहे हैं मैगी के लिए। चलिए देखते हैं।
खाली है।
नेवर माइंड। बाय।
Maggie, wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. Alhamdulillah, I can't be more thankful to God for giving me you in my life. You have been the most dedicated and the most committed sister that I could ever ask for. Even an own sister could never have done so much, how much you have done for me. I'm really... Okay, the first question. Name a memory which reminds me of you. I think, a lot of people have met you and shared memories with you. But I have really grown up with you, and that's why I think one memory to name is quite not the thing which I should be doing. But to name a few, I think, in groups we have had so much of fun in Gully, in your college days, and we have been having loads of fun each and every time. One moment which I recollect is, breaking that bag of yours which was from Charles and Keith, and that is really a hilarious moment for me to remember, because it was in a group and we had a lot of fun on that, and we still tease you on that on every occasion. No matter how serious you are, we know we are going to laugh about it. Next question, remind me of a song which is dedicated to you, is Tum ho to gaata hai dil, tum nahi to geet kahan. I think that song is very apt from me to you. It can't be more expressive about it. Third question, what is the one thing which I like about you? You're my sister, I happen to like you. No, I think over the years I have seen you struggle with me, and I have seen you being on the helping side of each and every person around you, and that I think that much of dedication and all, you should never lose it. It is your uniqueness that you are so good in helping people out in their problems, and never get away from that. I really pray for all the success in your life. May you be very, very happy in your entire living. Your parents be very proud of you. Alhamdulillah, you got great parents and a great brother, and of course me, and loads of friends. So I wish that Allah grants you all the all the mercy and all the greatness for you in this life and in the hereafter. Ameen. Hi, happy birthday. You know I'm not that good at this, but then I'm still giving it a shot. We've had great fun together and had loads and loads of amazing times, talks, and everything. And we've never had to, hide anything from each other. That's been amazing, totally awesome. Hopefully nothing will change there, and hopefully it won't be your last birthday year as well. So yeah, have loads of fun, party hard, and give us a kick-ass bomb party. I want that. So have fun. Bye bye.